Hi everyone, my name is Governor Zoku, son of the great Shanamite that lives amongst the angels. I came across I was tagged here. I think I needed to show where I was tagged. Somebody tagged me to the post of Anonymous. Say the Anonymous group. So in this Anonymous review or claim, I will put it as a claim. Anonymous, you guys tries so much and hard, and I appreciate. Now, Anonymous says that the plans to eliminate Evangelist Mr. Ebuka Obi is still in play. Remember the previous exposition about the blackmail? They are now wearing elimination as an option. He has taken all our clients and members, they said. We are unaware that this man sells and how he's taking customers from these people, but the mentioned man must be made to understand the situation. We remain anonymous. Okay, all right, Anonymous, I saw this thing. Maybe I don't know how you guys get your own information, but I believe everybody, the wise is always privileged to information. Now, dear everyone, this is written by, I think I will investigate those people who manages Anonymous, and I've been seeing most of their predictions and all that. So it's like many of them, we are correct. They've been trying their possible best. Thank you, Ifeanyi Victor. Now, I haven't seen these predictions or informations leaked by Anonymous. I had to come back here. See, now listen to me, okay? The other time, some people said that they paid me money to defend Evangelist Ebuka Obi, and they said all manner of things, and I kept quiet over it all. So, and my response to them was, thank you, Eze Kinsley, you're welcome, my man. My response to them was that I'm not backing down anytime soon, because clear conscience fears no accusation. Love Ifnaya, you're welcome here. And as a matter of fact, let me give you guys this brief information. Dear fans and great people who follows me here, let me tell you this great information. There's one lady like that whom I talked about. This is just a bridge. I'll come back to what I was saying before. Whom our sister will be something to in Lagos to help her way bill it abroad, and she collected over 200 and something thousand naira without doing anything. That matter is currently on table now. It's been treated. And the territory where she stays, that was buffing her, was the military territory within a soldier territory, and we have to use a general to call that location, and currently she's on table answering queries on that fraud. The reason why I touch this thing is for we to know that we are working and we don't just talk and keep quiet. Next time she will learn not to rant, because Nigeria belongs to all of us, and to any table you stop where they will compromise, will go beyond and above that table to make sure that you come up to answer your query. Everybody must team up to fight for what is right. My name is Governor Zoku. Now, for those people who says a lot of those things they are doing to Evangelist Ebuka Obi, thank you, Prince. Thank you, Prince Wanchuku, you're welcome here. Who says that those things they said against Evangelist Ebuka Obi, that they are not false? How come Anonymous posted this thing today? Did you see the message from Anonymous? Did you get that message from Anonymous? Did you see it? Can you see it here? I attached it here. You know, when they gang up, the first thing they do is, anytime I come to defend anybody, or anytime I come to speak on behalf of anybody, and I will be saying, show me evidence against this person. Some of these guys, Ishiagu. So, you see, anytime I wish to stand for anybody, you don't need to pay me. That's why most times I ask people on call, did you pay me money before I start speaking for you? Did you pay me kobo before I start intervening, before I came up for you? And if I have my opportunity to ask some of these big people, I will ask them. The reason why they were blackmailing me, they were saying all sort of nonsense, is because this one happens to be Ebuka Obi. And I vowed to defend him for myself. My reason of doing this thing is, number one, for me to start fighting Ebuka Obi, because many of them says that they were not going to follow me anymore because I did not fight Ebuka Obi. And I say to you, did you pay me for those people you think I've been defending or I've been speaking? And I'm not defending Ebuka Obi. I'm only defending, I started defending one thing. When somebody tried to fight him, the person had to plan something to ensure that he did not buy land from my local government. Do you know how bushy my village is? And all those fights went on. But many of you who stays abroad would have bought land around my local government because of Ebuka Obi. If he had actually bought that land in Ngobala, you would have come there to buy. Do you know how many of you that called me on the phone and said that they want to buy land around Ngobala within the territories of Evangelist Ebuka Obi? Did I defraud you? Did I give room for you to buy land? Now, estates are in Ngobala selling land to people, telling them that Ebuka Obi is coming. Ebuka Obi is not coming there yet. There was a plot from Enugu State. They came and played politics in my village. They stopped that man from buying that land. They went at the back, sharing money to people. They went, in fact, there is a place they went and bought over 70-something plot of land at the middle of that place where we were negotiating to sell for Ebuka Obi. Did you hear me say any of these things? I kept quiet. If he had bought that land without them coming from their own adoration ground to come and play politics in Ngobala, Ebuka Obi would have succeeded in buying that land. And you, watching me, would have come there to buy. But you're fighting him. And I saw this politics with my own eyes. I'm telling you, my own local government. Go and ask of the man they call Uche Trade Fair. We call him Okenze Buruburu. I think Buruburu. Nangopala. In Trade Fair. This man brought caterpillar and created access road to the land, to the major place. And we have that land even till today. We are not doing anything with it. But somebody came from somewhere to come and play politics through some Catholic members and some of their strong heads in my local government. Thank God, they should thank their God because I heard that thing very, very late. If I had had it, if actually I got that information early, I would have stormed their houses on camera. What's easy from my local government? They went here, because Adam saw that our people would have gone mad if they knew that he is bewitching. I saw that politics because my mistake was I didn't say it online early. I didn't say it early. If at all I had picked this information very early and start tackling it, because I was thinking it's none of my business. But I saw that that thing would have developed my place. So they came and used their politics to sweep away such development coming to my own local government. How many of you, many people from London, UK, Japan, Germany, they called me on the phone and said they want to buy land from my local government? Did I deceive you? Did I deceive you? Did I, if at all I wanted to deceive you? There are many estates today. Somebody, those people who called me on camera, who called me on the phone and asked me questions about those lands. If you're watching me, anytime you watch this video, confirm. Please comment something here in confirmation of what I've said. A lot of people called me and said that some estates are telling them to come and buy land. Even there are some estates that called me in Ngobala. Some people who are into real estate, they invited me and said, now let's use this opportunity to be selling. Just use your platform and tell people that Ebuka Obi has finally bought this land. Therefore, we'll be selling and we'll be giving you 15%. This was what they told me. I did not accept. So if there were possibilities of me defrauding the general public, it was an opportunity to lure you. Because at least 100 of you would have been victim. Did I allow such thing? Do you know what it means when they give you 15% of anything they sell? I consider 15% and I say to myself, no. Nobody with genuine intentions will agree, just see you for the very first time and say they will give you 15%. If you follow a chain, Ngobala and Umundoche Road, as if you're going to Ndasheche, you see where estates, they put their signposts there that they are selling lands. You understand? They are selling lands for people, telling them that Ebuka Obi is coming. Ebuka Obi is not coming to Ngobala yet. Those things are still under negotiation for now. The other place they were supposed to buy at Akobike. Akobike can about that place. Obike. That one did not work. They crossed over to the other side, close to my own side. It didn't work. Due to politics. People were playing. Now, they are crossing over to another side. We are also pushing to ensure that he gets the size or the capacity of the land he needs in another express way. Currently, people are going at the back now, negotiating to buy land that place. Why the traditional rulers then say stop for now. Let us see if this man will come here and build what he wants to build. Just say for him. So why didn't I connive with people just because I want to make money to sell those lands for you, tagging it at Ebuka Obi? Even before Ebuka Obi will be aware, I must have made like 100 million naira from you. Did I do that? See, if I am convinced to fight for you, or got no amount of pressure. You know the highest thing where they happen? Some people will come and tell me they will not be following me, that I have compromised. Did I will defend you? Now that they are compromised begin. Did I defend people? Did I those time a full-blown native doctor? There's another one in Okijao. I recovered 500,000 naira from very recently. I don't want to call his name because Okota beg the money. Somebody complained to me. Won't know my name immediately. He paid that. I recorded it. Is here. One day I'll play it if he fails to pay the balance. So all those ones I recover, all those things I do. You did not tell me that native doctor paid me bribe or this and that happened. You did not even comment to tell me thank you. But it is only when I choose to defend anybody because you've not been victim. The day you will become victim and you come to me, how I will know you on the Facebook, you'll be surprised. And that I will reward you with evil. I will reward you with those things you support. I will reward you 100%. So you just saw what an anonymous wrote now. Whether they are real, I don't know. Whether they are fake, I don't know. I don't even believe so much on them. But I just saw that and people sent it to me. Somebody even mentioned media and I laughed. I had to inbox the person and say, am I a Zion member? You people will tag me here. Then if I talk, you people will twist it in another way. So others on our plans against the young guy. Mokona continue. Mokona continue. Ebuka Obi went to Abuja. Ebuka Obi went to Abuja. Those people who were ranting inside one room. According to Asari Dokobo. You did not come out to stop him. You did not go and move the force headquarters and tell them that this person is not supposed to visit Abuja, that he's fake. It was an opportunity for you to arrest Ebuka Obi in Abuja. You did not do that. But in the evening time, you turn on camera. And we are ranting. I'm not told that later some of them are church. I look at them and laugh. Bring me evidence against Ebuka Obi. Bring me evidence. Inbox me the evidence. Let us go and verify if one is true. But wherever you don't have any evidence against this guy, you're happy what's under that enviness. When did I start talking about him? Somebody got happily in here. Somebody got happily in here. The governor na for collar up for me appearing on camera with Ogechi Njaka. So what was the content of my as in? Did you pick words, the things I said on Ogechi Njaka's platform? You can't see me ginger Ogechi to go and do something. I was still on the side of telling Ogechi, please calm down. I was even on camera pleading with Ogechi, never you. I'm going to post to picture anybody on camera. Anybody's new picture, please go and apologize to that person and let this matter not go further. After that day I said it, I walked away. Somebody will come and tell me, why am I appearing on JPAC's platform? Do you know when I know JPAC? Before you know me, I knew JPAC. I don't know what is wrong with our people. They want to regulate me. You want to regulate me? Did I start with you? You allow me to do my own things. If what I'm doing you don't like it, go and create a platform. I will even support you. I will promote your page. If you tag me, I will come and comment for you there. Except if you are coming on a way to bully me or abuse me, I'll just look at you and laugh. I'll walk away. But if you're doing the right thing on your page, invite me. People, they invite me live on live program. Different people. I choose the ones I want. I go there. I know my own side I want to. I choose my fight, in fact. So create a platform, invite me, I will come. And if you create a platform, those people who created platforms, whom chooses to use, I'm telling you before God and man, that I heard where a blogger is saying, the thing is here. They've played it before the Commissioner of Police. I mean the IG, the Inspector General of Police. Somebody on the internet opened his mouth and said that, Ndi Igbo Obi, in fact, Ndi frame up on social media. This guy with 120,000 followers on Facebook. He was telling this thing to a fellow blogger on voice note. And when that one warned him, he didn't hear. That one warned him, he didn't hear. That guy needs to share that thing and send it to people like me. I won't play it now because of why he dig younger. Nyaga boto oberenwa put on a camera. Go on Ebuka Obi repulia. A little child, and he did close to that. The voice note are here. But if I play it now, or maybe push here further now, I won't share ya. A very wicked human being. But see his plans against somebody. You see his evil plans against his fellow human being. That thing, I pinched myself. And even the blogger, the bigger blogger, I warned him to be careful of this guy. Because this guy can still do to you. One good thing with betrayers is, a coil and block all the display. Come on, get out from here. Hygienist. Come on, get out from this place. All the kishadro game. Come on, get out from here. And I'm walk into that place. Back on this place, you go. Told the guy here. Come on, get out from here. Come on, get out. No life. He coil and block all. Chineke walk Ishi. Anon pama. So Otoshiga poverty. Come on, get out from here. Anu. Arabachi kwagenti. Chuka dibi next hygienist. Arabi wa kwagenti. Mugu 25 onyara. Some of you want to get life on Kuri ego onyara. If you can kuroku like this, ngori well like this. They will plan how they will blackmail you. They will plan it. Buy iron. Ochukuna azanyo. Ordinarily, these people have conscience. So these guys say they want 1 minute conscience. Many of them are mad and wicked, very, very wicked. If you see where bloggers are planning what they will do to you, if you see where they are planning you, see, it's not everything they told me I post to. It's not everything, because if I do like that, Oga, there are complaints I hear. I will know that this person is guilty. I won't even talk about it because people are very, very wicked. See, listen to this. Listen to this parable. Should I call it parable? Africans are very funny. They cook up stories at their closest just to gain sympathy at the public domain. They cook up stories. Keep on Ghana gachuzo. So you see the way it is. You see the way it is. People here can frame up anything in this part of the world. You see, because of this internet space. And the worst is they will be the first to call you blackmailer. They will be the first to call you Nimu two-face. Nina Akazo. Akazo Nimu two-face. Nina Akazo. They stable. You are unstable human being. Aradea. Already that fool. You cannot even trust him with anything. You cannot trust that one with anything. But they will be the first to plan and blackmail you. There was one story like that came up on the internet. Two people were quarreling. I was not involved. I have no business to that. One blogger here who has never posted my page, who has never talked about my page, who hardly comment on my page, came in boss to tell me, Nanchorokianyam data this person Kambari this person war on internet not gonna 150,000. I started recording that call conversation very, very late. I kept it. So big as he is, he another person. Although Onyogam that thing, Abucha is a new person. But the battle does not concern me. The thing does not concern me in any way. He was telling me only 150,000 naira for me to wade into a case that does not concern me. On social media, this blogger here has never, and he's a content creator. In fact, he's just a content creator. He does his content and he makes money. All of us respect him. He has money. But he called my attention telling me, Nam blackmail area mado, konye 150,000 as if na fuberu mego. Some of those wars you see on the internet, people are paying people to fight it. Don't look beyond that person you see fighting that thing on the internet. There are voices, there are hands behind him. Equal to small, they will tell you, so you know what make money? Now you righteous pass. I'm not telling you I'll be born again, but I still have to reserve some integrities to myself. You see any blogger who takes money to fight or who takes bribe to fight, go and check that person. When the person will make mistake or boy abanye problem or yahama. But see, when confidence, conviction is inside your heart, when it is strictly beckoned in you to speak what is right and what is good, you'll be saying it. At the days of your calamity or the days of your pains, people will stand for you. You don't need to be paid by anyone before you say the truth. You don't need people near me. Akwamana gets the other day, somebody saying that before you see Mozo, nange tiraniaka 1,000 naira before you go see Mozo. I look at the fool and laugh. But then when Google Map na phone me, just that there's no network there, I'm sure the guy. Oh, Igbo corner so same na mgeti rani aka ke abanye moto gago si anyi na mgeti iri aka. So I need to pay you for you to do good. Just come out and I marked his face. People do it here. For you to speak the truth again, now you need to be paid. For you to blackmail somebody, you need to be paid. For you to push somebody down, you need to be paid. When I came to the internet, I've said this thing to you before. Even the pages I'm using, except the people's governor. Mr. Governor Isiagu no be me create am. I did my house they sleep. My brother called me when we came back from a particular place where I was invited to come and teach something. We came back. Then I was already managing page for JPAC, yet I no open my own. But I taught my younger brothers and these things. Some of my cousins who were around me, I taught them about content and blogging. So they that one now took my phone and created that page, Mr. Governor Isiagu. You understand? So he created it and told me. And I took one of my pictures where I was putting on cap, this barret that looks like military cap, and placed there. So one day I did a video there. The video moved. I did another one. The video moved. Nobody promoted anything for me. It was one day we went to TBS. We came back and JPAC posted that people should follow me here. I did not tell him. I didn't beg him. He did it as my man on his own. From time to time, people started following me. So I saw reason. Sometimes I would want to teach something on camera. My brothers and cousins would tell me, now let's do that thing and post it. I say this thing will dent my image. They say no, don't worry. She been waiting they do before they say and yeah, do them. I will do and they go edit and post them. Then I know if it edit. I know there are other things I do with the computer and Facebook. So they will edit and post. The thing was getting public attention before I now start paying more attention to it. That is it. I was doing my business. I was minding my business. Except when there are challenges, just like the lady whom I told that she will pay that 200 and something thousand naira. Now money they give her make you use will be something for somebody abroad. In chopper, she chopper even run to my page and they comment nonsense. I can say you pay dearly. The hand where you want bring, you don't know the one carry come. Right now she will pay the money this evening by force. compulsory. If you want to go to Jericho, my conscience is clear. And when they go the girl complain. It's not that she's a sister. She complained bitterly. Now somewhere name this business. Then people a bit patronize we abroad through Facebook. Why will another person require me to go on Facebook again? Before I intervened. So it could be your turn. There is somebody in Okija. Listen, now so Governor Zoku they use they find out trouble and they say they stable, the Chineke Bawakwa Ishi. Anybody not call that in Chineke Bawakwa Ishi? And when a young guy in Okija, think Okija or something, just hold on, I'll call him. Take it easy, brother. Let me so that I can be able to make this call. The guy go to Allah, Naka Oye Dibia Riala. Man, I had away by fence. They are good to this thing. This guy complained this thing to me. He stays abroad. We are making preparation for this matter. The guy, hello? Hello? Brother, just to inform you, I'm calling you from a live streaming on Facebook. So I wouldn't want you to get offended, eh? Okay. But it doesn't stop me from doing what I need to do. Your voice did so down. So Igorala na aka somebody in Okija, right?
Yeah.
The person they move Ogako Shiwakwa fence after many years, ebe Echekero or something, right?
How you just going there now?
Your voice did too down. Your voice did too down.
Hello?
Your voice did too down.
Hello, can you hear me?
Your voice had it too down. Now, I don't want to show you the receipt of this land. We are investigating. We are on this thing now. The
latest man. Now this morning, they carry go. Bunde boys be able to scatter your fence. You can negotiate ya no na kijiri wa ya ofia. Kemra the necessary thing I am because
now the person they bought this land from is a native doctor. He tried to grab the land back again. Now, the reason why I didn't want to intervene by myself is because I just had to push it to the appropriate authorities. Where the matter, we are from that place, I stay my own. If I stand up for justice on this particular mission now, people will tag me, people from that area will tag me evil. But you were there, these things were going on. Now this your brother abroad now has checked around. The only person he can complain these things to now with Ojilam evidence. Although more man came with something they were under that thing. Is it nonsense? So when he came with something behind that. But let me tell you the gospel truth. The reason why he came to me, he believes. I've never seen his comments before, but for some days he's been on my neck. And currently our lawyers are working for him now on this case. So you hate Governor Zoku yesterday, but today when you have problem, you come to me. You see the way it is. So all this risk I take, all these things, as I am now, I'm on journey, I'm coming back from somewhere, going to another location for something also. So no be smart. We have so many land cases right now. As I speak to you, we have some in court already. The most painful one is somebody who is from Akokwa. Another lady from the same village who stays abroad. She lives in, I think, France or US. Okay. I didn't know. So this person sent money from abroad. Now 1 year go taria ala. Nathan ke we no lolo. The guy went a year ago, got another place. You see no people, got another place. Got already money gonna roll yolo. Nda lota zi eba just say no way, nothing. Ogaji empty land and cause another drag court we na kwa de olo na kwa nka. He went and forged paper until that paper got to me. I took it to my lawyer. Lawyer me later and say they are fake. When I be criminal. Who paid me? Who pays me for those things? What I get is reward. Reward is what I get. Reward, but somebody may just wake up and say, Governor, take. Reward. So, but you can sit in your closet and Ebuka Obi pam. Zion ministry pam. Zion. Gana ka Zion okwogo onye ara. Give me the jobless. Gana ka akwogo. Ego leki ga. Eman ichekwu m ụgwọ na, ichekwu m ụgwọ. Like mgbe agwara m na m join APC na my own place. Emakwa him demand. Did you know what I demanded? This one will shock you. I demanded for road. Also like this. Also. That road where I demand say make they work for me. I don't grade them 2 times with my own money. Thank you, Mary. But I stood there now drag saying Loza come to the car from Isi Nkwala to my village. Tiele lem can no na drag. Oza hoge reach 4 or 5 kilometers. Okay, 4 or 5 kilometers. Now waiting a day they talk before Commissioner of Works Imo State. Kurokura no fear. I no shake, I no shiver at all. The first youth to raise hand like this for Imo International Conference Center say you no go walk, you no go roof finish from Olu zone. Your son-in-law again from the same zone again come become governor again while over the zone never rule. Now me first raise my hand no why. Kuoya before we reach Asokroch, I no fear. The mother sembala, my father called me, say make I run. Send that I say okay now. I don't need to drag. Mother won because of Imo. I no run. I do am, I stand. Mbado na agwa join. Then I was ING Global Youth Coordinator, Imo the Talking Group State. And other things, activities I do. I have my own movement in my own local government and almost the entire over the zone. They say make I join the APC. Can. They later use one a cook we go State House of Assembly for my place. Buzu mugu. Ole aka hu nke mumma. Owe go karam. What you want to carry am? Ogaga go meet when one man na akpom can join the party. Can we get develop over? So look at Mpama. Look at Mpama. Onye gacha State House, he no get third road. He was SA. He was a former PDP publicity secretary. He went to State House. He was double SA. Now, double SA. SA on road transport and aligned matters. Two portfolio. No road to his house. If you see my house, the house na bush. He called the time make I can't join APC. Karora hope. Those are them more. One commissioner. He's a very big, he's a well-respected man at my place. Commission under hope of them. Oh, when who rode to his house? Enjoy a day. They go see one trip of chipping at the whole of my local government. One trip of chipping na governor hope of them Magiana Rosa. Then I will join immediately. Oh, my partner, my innovation government in Mega, and my things government in Mega. They will remember here. This was his answer. I walked away from there. Before God Almighty, the people that day, onye nke gwara m na ekwa na moto dị chọ m ịkpa ahịa. That dem did again. No ekesi Malaysia alọ. The day I got to governor, na governor nyere $3,000 na enye ya nwa. Na envelope ha pụta na isi those ndị shopbo politics anana the money rie. Nye na $500. Man, no set a picture. Got post on Facebook. Say him and governor there. Mpama. Join any political party. Watch what will happen. Either a serving senator will be on ground, or a former senator will be on ground, or a former governor will be on ground. This is camera record here. If I want to join any political party, either a gubernatorial, super gubernatorial candidate, or a former senator, or a present senator, or a federal House of Representatives member, current will be on ground. And I no go join her for Owole. I no go join her for local government council headquarters. I go join her for my compound, for my original compound. Now there then go come. Oh, to Wade. You know why? That my stubbornness coupled with other things. Ham and Onyenka no go gree come out like that. They go come. Because each one vote, you go come my village. So when I want to join your party, you go come. So if this I follow go that time, come go join and work for Governor Hope Uzodimma. Cubana chief priest, you know the reason I head they calculate. It is those people better long money no reach their hand. Okay, somebody just said that, Governor Ebuka, do you know that Festus Okoye is from Olo, Imo State? No road to his house. That is their way. Ndara, mad people. Mad people. The going guy. Major road leading to local government headquarters. I quite cross Hope Uzodinma today, Abi. Hope reduced to la convoy to 25. I think 25 now. 25 vehicles when they so mad. Now this is a major road to a council headquarters. One of the oldest council headquarters. One of the biggest so far. Not that road though. This village like this produced federal house member for 8 years. Federal house member for 8 years. This chipping where you see for grand, so now the one where making head your paw here. Okay, make a wuru here. Here be major road to local government council headquarters. Now me they tell you. Is that what I tell you? In fact, Hope Uzodinma they pass here. The governor they pass here. I go show you where I was to. I go show you where I was. So on the Maranako, over here Kangano. Do you know that this road? It was this road. This brothers. Do you know that this road I'm showing you now? I and my team. When they award this road, this chipping way see where they put for this ground, and because of me make them put this thing. Now impact to wait, I feel come down tell you, I feel come down the shut down for this village. Make people hear them. Make you hear and confirm them. This chipping now will hear now, but because of more I can watch chipping now. I know they tell you story. Chipping now, this side because of me. This road, before God and man, this road took me to State House of Assembly. This road took us to ICPC. This road took us to EFCC. This road was awarded. Owele one use and do abrakataba. Owele tell some people say, see some of in gang saying go award them first. Yes, some money. Can I go there? Kemecha campaign uche wonsu. Mbamba. Oh, second ten orucha sabi. Second ten orucha san osoga. Came award this place. Now egonya wepotara nonye these people here the money. These people swallow the money. Negu potopoto like this. Leaders of this place. Negu potopoto. Ebaka the man, Ebaka by angel. I will show you close to the local government council headquarters. I went to State House of Assembly. There are pictures to that. I have pictures to that. I went to State House of Assembly to demand for this road. Now Roya by force. They called me. Type Avanahotu. Type Avanahotu on Facebook. The guy will appear. You will see him. Okwalishiamurumuru. It was the Omega and my team. Here we are as at 5 or 6 years ago. Ogodi 6 years ago. Mother Kabucha Dogu self. Now till the court, now we think the first quarter me and politicians them for this local government. Me and them dig around. They do everything for where because of Oza. Me and still the pass them at the show for camera. They know if you do me anything. As I they go like this, you know if you do me them, yeah. So I went to State House of Assembly to complain that they should carry on this contract and deliver. But they held Yela Diego for 2 years and they don't swallow the money. I go there. Carry people go there. We'll go there, go protest. So my State House member, assembly member, now called us to his office and pleaded with us that we should calm down. I said no. The former speaker to Imo State House of Assembly, Chiji, by that time Facebook, I know about Lunu na Facebook. That time. Many of them have been governor Israel accused. Not in a village, and they can Ethiopia, no, they are Nezusu got that time. Agrujicha at that time. They don't figure way to do anything. I get the pictures on that, no. Either I will comment it here later. I'll comment it here later. Hold on, or let me call 1 or 2 honorables here. Here, Kijent again. I know shake, I know fear. Equachilam. Let the road, about the road today, yeah, major road, the #1 road to the local government council headquarters, and him be this. I think go there, go show you now. And I'm at Ojo. Then chop the money. Coded, na I be a settle anyị just chola some money. We no gree. No be say we did use Range Rover that time. Oh, we no get money. I just now manage to do any. But we beckoned on integrity on behalf of our people. We no betray. Cause for the game one scene in a Binyam bribe. Araba wakwa Ishi that place.
Hello?
This is Governor Zoko. I'm calling you from live streaming, Honorable. I want to confirm something from you.
His Excellency.
Now. So I decided to make a video. Then we don't cover some things that this road now Monagi and our team, the allies, allies, led by me, I na State House of Assembly, just stage a protest now carry on this road construction or we die that place. Obashi.
It's true now because you said people are dying. People are dying on that road on daily basis.
Okay. Before the speaker Chiji, right?
Collins.
Collins Chiji. Okay. Now I said here on camera, na make sure separate. See, can settle can work na the matter make kwechiri. Obashi.
Sure. They wanted to lobby us.
Okay. Yes. Udodi.
I went with you now. We are together with two other people.
Thank you very much.
We'll let them.
I don't want to talk much. You dey hear am with your ears, Abi? I no collect bribe. There is no how I got here 10 million naira that time because I'm going to marry these people. I'm going to marry these politicians. Make it hang no better roads. Have four more. I plan ya cable lay the road though. I major road to local government council headquarters. Council. See, when we were under the local government, this was the local government headquarters. This was the council headquarters. The local government council headquarters. Now here. Even Nigeria. Me vote or nonsense. You use your platform. In at all, you get pull go down first. This local government now where Ebuka Obi one come build that thing. Tell me, if say Ebuka Obi build that Zion this thing here now, you know say this road then for do am, governor say for con do am for am. Governor for con do am so that people go see road where they go from the park. You believe say people see they live inside this place, inside that down bush. You believe? You believe? Man, I do our people order they no go agree here. Ndara. Hold on. Let me boost. Lanya, lay the road. CRCB. Somebody from his own place for Enugu come play politics here. Say, me no say land for him. Onye na se pania. If o priest here, Kultur Sultan na politics in the Lendara. Mana hana egu this road. Hana egu this road. Go mmiri no ya ga ya bo major road. So after all these things, so now this road now during the time of Ohankem on Rosabi, Ohankem did this road. Even Ohankem Arochabe, here with a prophecy, Popia. Think if it's you. Here with a prophecy, huh? Papa Ohankem, now so this road you remain till today. That's so you remain till today. See this thing a major road though. No be this thing where they watch, no be good though. No be good though film. Some of us are from here, some of us are from this kind of place. But they got on a big man na Facebook, big boy na Facebook. Big boy na Facebook. What impact are you making? What moves are you making to fix your place? And I call it nonsense. How big men. How they make politics both in church and every other places. Hey, what issue no abu you to jam more in order now cause you really your own. Now you poor pass. Now your people suffer pass. Now your village suffer pass. These people no go follow roads like this. If they come here, they go use better SUV. Pra. Now what if they go drive? Come down your village. You now, boy, man, keke jump pro keke Ishi name like this. Ishi name like this. Okada pro Ishi name like this. Those things they fully contribute stress. Also, need to some of our people. Also, need to our people. Here, Igafo, should I go and show you a graduate in MPOS? Instead of that, now, may just what I did that share 50,000. graduates in POS. Do you know how many graduates we have in Imo State? They are not employed. Lows of the local government. Do you see MTN mask? Down. Do you see MTN mask? You see? If you take bad, you have a major road. The host local government of Imo International Airport. You have a shaga their local government council headquarters. If everybody took a chipping, Boebo Hankem Rudebere. Hey, with a prophecy, to Hankem. With a prophecy, Nyani Rocha, so well no walk I'm here. Oh well did not do pity come here. You will name oh phone. Those are right to Lota. Only came with a cigar. By this time we would have read more than 5 trips. Go ya, Bassa, so that Mrizo, Onama Febono Yaga. Thank you. Member the Great Shanamite Court of Justice. You're welcome. So here gonna fight table. This was the only hope my village in Webola, my local government in Webola, Sichineke chai. Either by mistake or anything, but at Ebuka Obi that time, bring him. Oh God. By now, waiting I keep money house on Naro, water in the morning, Gabecha business, I'm lot her back to my village. Good land, we have land. In fact, do you know that in my village alone, I know they tell you my local government too. My village alone, we have land that can occupy, that can host 2 airports at the same time. My small village. As me and you they talk now, one village then come meet me, say they get 10,000 plot of land where they want sell. 10,000 plot of land. And I said, I want to see 1 or 2 or 3 elders. Let them come and say that again before me, then I will know. Ala karerenko. E wuri heji eme. The Ndi Igbo politics ka happen. Ego ala ego. Are they coming to buy it? When any industry, anything they are coming to do for us, no way. Eba abunde politician no na aga put the China ha bia go via. Go 1 year land like that. Akowe oka only. Now, brothers, it's about 15 polls. 15 polls now to local government council headquarters. Either I cannot show it. I cannot show it. Cannot show it. Because that one had the charoma. But I'm telling you, this is Umuneke. This is Umuneke. This is the road leading to Umuneke council headquarters. Use your phone. Google Umuneke. Ngopala. Google it. Although I'm not going to Ngopala. There is a way I will pass here to River State now. Okay? So here abobo don madu sinimi apota. Man, if you look, I'm on the internet and video support to wine hojo after the long suffering of my people like this. All because your uncle will benefit from it. Here local government council headquarters. Even tip I could charge 50 here, 50 trips now here. Here. I'm telling you, attack a bad. So as I speak to you now, thank you, brother. So here council, local government council headquarters. What if I talk like this? I call somebody at the hand because that's the only thing I can show. Oh, somebody. Okay. Le signboard down here. I saw presidency. Le here my people not celebrate. Did you see it? Did you see it? So I cannot show you the local government council headquarters on camera. It is wrong. So they are about the local government council headquarters. One of the oldest out of 774 local government that makes up Federal Republic of Nigeria. This is the number 3rd largest in landmark. I think either the number 2nd or number 3rd in landmass. With a signboard there, the road now presidency there. These people. If you see this road for camera, if you see this road for newspaper, the day where the announcer said they don't work am. If you see it for newspaper, you got boss. They beautified and when get it. Oh, they got River State get it a good road that day. Many China signboard, oh, back. Me seven for news I see at that time. Kinsili, KSI, you know, on the phone. My number is 091. Kinsili, my number is 091 300 651 70. Okay. So you see the way it is. Wait, there's a place I can even show you, self. You will pity humanity. See, brother, I beg talk back small, but I show the world or something. As not the possible more eba in a mortuary now, Ebam no now, just some minutes to mortuary. Nkazigi people, man, they know the Ishi. No go say there, how them carelessly. But you know on camera, you don't go understand what in that happen. You don't go understand what in that. No amount of money will carry convenience where they enough. Because no development, all this kind of bad road only self fit keep person. If you keep person, but I might just show you teaching hospital. This hospital, what they tell you, I mean government teaching hospital, teaching hospital Ghana where. And what I can pick loss so they are map of now. And pick loss beach am again with only one because they went here people who got the agro jicha. Let's see the road though, see the road though, see the road though. We get governor, bylaw bosses they reach here. Ndeli bylaw bosses if the day if ever you took a buya whoa na machine wham whoo PDP APC Labour yeah ndara ndeli all this menina you see obondo chas of menina ndebe kanye egbuchala the whole menina nde kuche resiala some nde doctor resiala some nothing to show down there now but police station not there down like this. Igbo police, you have problem in the village, Igbo police. Before police will respond to you, before police will respond, Obia, Obujana toha, le goes all day. Le, my brother, le no government hospital, le no. I don't know if you can see inside because I don't just want to go there and Obia them. General hospital. If Ebo wele na abane aroka, you know what Owele did here was just to re-roof the place. Le kobodode. Turn on. Yeah, but council headquarters all round no road. But if I'm talking some mpamas, do you know that when some people in this my local government, politicians say can I salary here? Stupid people, dirty and foolish people. That is why as I'm moving, they see me they fear, they see me for camera, they share and now. They share and give their local government chairman. This they are a cook, a local government chairman where they put here. Not before camera be this. They share and the thing they reach their hand. They watch them like this. They don't feel stop me as they work like this. He stop one as local government chairman. Unkocha here. If you see my say Igbo traditional clinic, I go beat you because it is stupid. Let me see now, puta. Do you know that? Do you know that during the elections, the governor comes here to sleep because this is one of the biggest local government. He lose here. He lose here and didn't be told that election in Imo State. If you lose here, do you know that we are bigger than him be saying landmask? But our people were here, they couldn't give us more local governments. The whole of my local government, no single bank. But people here vote. They vote to rig election. Somebody here will stand to type nonsense. Where is your footprint in your local government before you support evil? Dirty and stupid. Do you see why now the kind of many of you zoo animals? Ewu Gambias. They want common sense. But you can be busy blackmailing somebody because you are living in Lagos or you are living in Agwa or you are living in Abuja, you are living in Hong Kong or Japan. How far is your village? One day you village, you go figure your village. Don't be made of a kind of this. If I Muri to Kwana Mota before God and man, if governors could come down at the market square, crowd will rush me. Jande Mehendara. The mother now near fatal on rubbish. Now quarry rubbish they hand on ya. Your place is bush. And when goes it nothing. It's a shame that my local government has no bank. Be going. No one single bank. Now me they tell you now. Go check from Ngobala. Check is there any bank located in Ngobala? How do you expect me to support evil? Do you know that evil on Kanyama Baralabra name me Ebola for years? We are trying to come out of evil and you are telling me to support evil again. You never a church mind. There's one road I will show you now. This road, this place they produce you go. Produce politicians now go right? Yes. They produce a federal house member. In fact, they have more than 9 former commissioners. Professors of Karadenko, Reverend Fathers Karadenko. Let me show you the road that leads to their village. Academical idiots. Go. Academical idiots. And we would them. Again, Governor John, they cannot contest. They've not contest for governorship, but these are our old politicians. If you see any politician from Ngobala, look at him 2 eyes. Ask him where are you coming from. If you tell him Ngobala, see a twat, come on, get out. Brother, this place gave birth to the greatest politicians of all time in my local government. Go from before you turn. The greatest amongst them all. Kinsley, now. Kinsley, you are a brother. Lozogra to their village. Lozogra to their village. Now tell me how a politician from this area will reason well like human being. They appoint them as commissioners. Let me shock you. Do you know that Emeka Hedio have appointed somebody as a commissioner? So they went to discuss how they will split Imo State capital city. You have to turn, brother. Go back. Okay. So Kamakage just split here. Do you know that some of these people opened their mouth and said that na Achebage me Imo Refuse Center. Na village a commissioner. Upon all this, what the man was dragging with our people. Before one politician amongst them, I don't want to praise that one because all quite good. He's an animal as far as I'm concerned. I know they respect them. Kinsley just confirmed that he knows this road. Village mado. Village mado. And measure brain is some people can have this in the world like human being. You want to die of religion. Me, go politics. Why? I will follow them. If you muzzle me, I muzzle you. These people, they're very, very heartless and wicked. Yeah, the best road to come to go. The best road so far. Come just to go see those mpama politicians in the sala. Some of them were appointed at the cabinet of President Goodluck Jonathan during the Buhari zone. Some of them were in Buhari's cabinet. I know they tell you a story. See the road leading to their village. And we with them. As the charity begins at home, that is why I'm warning them. One day I'll be going to their houses one after the other. They go to the internet. They go see their picture. Fools! They're not going to do me anything. If they see me for occasion, no, me, I'm mad, they pass you. You go your own body, away here, you can't do again. I'm all. Face to face. I see police, hage, as a politician, within 5 minutes, I could jalam. Because sugar need a steady. Hotel in a I'm Mechala go, but again, you know, you don't have any weight at all. Stupid people. Stupid. This local government you see here. See, there are some things I wouldn't want to say, brothers. There are some things. That was why when that Reverend Father go strike Ebuka Obi, we want to try to develop this place. I'm mad with them. I'm mad with them. Well. Because carry that your nonsense go Enugu. The road that the only road where I show you now where Ohankem they try walk. That time Ohankem a great Italian now. Ohankem a great Italian. Bobble cheap himself. Okay, man, they see from nowhere with allegation. No, Ohankem Nishi. No, cause the Reverend Father here. No, cause the Father here. No, cause propaganda. At the same time, you need a CD place. You need making your own money, but you are backdating the development of my own area. It's in a Chineka Bogoko. Who send you? I don't go people now going to born on me. One are born on bog yourself from bully. My time become president, you know they are calling that thing. One them John Missy Wapogi here. Emma. Oh, you mad idea? Jezebel and Ahab killed so many prophets, and they want him in the honey. And why him and you would have Mbale. This one there for good road now, or Hanke Meleka to the boundaries of River State based on all the literary area at that time. All the literary area. Yeah, but psychiatric, maybe na funa but psychiatric. Ebo ihe leaders in my local government you wetara. They here na my place. Psychiatric during the time of Mbakwe. Psychiatric ndara no tundara jaka hakopo shiaro dono na fence gare ya. That is the only thing my people want. Now let's say Ebuka Obi to so allow so that Ebuka Obi would have tied this road. Ebuka Obi would have tied this road. Ogareshi from Olakwota area Biana local government council quarter by joining area to Nka. So that Ishi River State now this was his plans. These are the lands the man wanted to buy that time. They came and play politics and shared money to politicians here. You yourself would have been buying places here. This was the problem of Yenanda. This thing was the problem Ebuka Obi with these people. See, Ebuka Obi would have developed this place. Ebuka Obi can with a development. In this land, two sides. I'm gonna Bacha airport. Politicians na Reverend Father T Sultan and na Enugu came and spoiled everything now nonsense. Because not Rebata from here to Enugu make the distance. Grace differs. People can look for you wherever you are. And you want me to start clapping for such man? One and go Diana. The go Diana Biko. Diana. Leyland everywhere. Leyland everywhere. In fact, hold on, brother. Kose, let me shock you. Before you see me, Sinclair, I've heard you. Before from Mbasi somebody, Aronya Hebelam something, West scatter my brain. Let some of our brothers them be abroad. But that teach I henda for solar, free of charge with their money. All like this, with their money. That everything we can do to cheer up Ebuka Obi, let him come and buy land here. And I may. Now, since big politicians say Zuzuru, quench the thing. Zuzuru quench the thing. Then you want to make a clap for them. Today God passed them. Now maybe the non-issue politicians na my local government. They want to know rich now for our local government platform. And they go there call their names. Ibu Winch, Ibu Wizard, laying him because he shared these people. Why will I keep respecting you as a leader while you are a fool?